Okay, guys, you're going to be on page 136, 136. Okay. What we got here, multiply, use the decimal model. We've got 8/10 of or times 4/10. You're like, wait, Miss White, we don't have it all the way overlapping. A lot of these models you're going to see, some of them do continue, and some of them do not, like we had. So you're like, how do I know which one's which? Well, look what you got. You've got two numbers. Look what we've got. So we've got right here we've got, what do we have here? Let's go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what would that be? That's my 4/10. Okay, then you look, okay, well, what I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8/10. And then we have, what would be 2/10 if we were to continue this on, right? If we were to, what am I worried about? Am I worried about 4? Yep. Am I worried about my 8/10? Yep. Am I worried about 2/10? No. So that's not concerning. So in theory, what we are used to seeing is us going 8/10 all the way across. That's fine. But again, we're really only concerned about that area that is overlapping. So we are only concerned about this part right here. So what would I do? I'm going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 what? What are those little bitty squares called? Hundredths. 32 hundredths. Now, we're going to color it. And this way I'm going to show you one way that we did, and the other way, or I'm going to show you, the way the book did where it's not overlapping all the way. Okay? So, 1/10 of 1/7. All right? We'll do 1/10 of 7/10. Well, how am I going to do? So, my 1/10 is going this way and it's going down. So the other way has to go this way. So that means 7/10 has to go this way. One, two, three. So I'm only concerned about that area right here. Well, how many do I have there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? What are those little bitty squares worth? Hundredths. 7 hundredths. You're going to say, Miss White, well, does it matter if I did it this way? Sorry, I should stay still. Does it matter? Where do I have my overlapped? If I did 7/10 this way and 1/10 this way, how many do I have overlapped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same thing. So even if I turn it, it doesn't matter. Next one, 4/10 of 1 6/10. Again, if you want to do your 1 6/10 first, that's fine, or this, it doesn't matter. Guys, just like this, 5 times 4 is 20, just the same as 4 times 5 is 20. It doesn't matter which of your factors, factor times a factor is equals a product, goes first. It truly doesn't. So if you want to color your 1 6/10, that's fine. So 1 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just have to really remember if you're going vertical or horizontal. Okay? So just to help myself remember, 1 6/10, I was going down. So if I was going down on 1 6/10, that means my 4/10 needs to go this way. And I'm taking 4/10 of this entire amount. So here's 4/10. Here's my 2nd tenth, my 3rd tenth, my 4th tenth, my 1/10, or if you want to stop here, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. Again, you can continue all the way on, or you can just stop right here. Because I'm only worried about that. So let's look. I'm going to get a little bit closer, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That would be 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. 64 what, guys? What am I counting? I'm counting those little bitty squares, which were hundredths. So 64 hundredths. Again, could you have turned it this way? Sure. As long as you have one way, you can have your, either way. Doesn't matter if it's vertical or horizontal, as long as you're overlapping and crisscrossing. All right, now turn to 138. Number 6 says, Farmer Jean, let's try that again. Farmer Green grows 9/10 tons of grain each year. 7/10 of the grain is barley. So of this, 7/10 is barley. Which model shows? So I need 9/10, or my problem is 7/10 of 9/10. That's the same thing as of. So I need to have 7/10 showing and 9/10. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's not even 7/10. That's not even 9/10. Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that's 9/10. That's working with one of my numbers. Let's see here I got going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tenths and 3/10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sweet. 7/10. And I've got 2/10 of another color. Or two. Do I have a crisscross? Remember, you got to have them crisscrossing to do the overlapping area. This is not right at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not even a tenth. That's not even a tenth. So let's go back here. So I've got 9 going this way, 7. Don't need that 3. So that means I'm counting this that would overlap. Okay? So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, so on and so forth, to get to 63 hundredths. They don't want your answer. They just want to know which pictorial model. Okay? All right, now we have a pictorial model here. So we've got two things going on. Let's go up and down. So let's do this. Okay? Because I'm going this way because this goes all the way up and down. So this is one whole, and this is 1/10. So this is going up and down. This way, how many am I going? I'm either going 1, 2, 3/10 or 7/10, depending on what if I'm coloring this going that way or this down here. Okay, so I've got 1 and 1/10, and then I either have 3/10 or 7/10. Okay, nope, I don't even have a 1 and 1/10 right there. Nope, I've got a 1 and 1/10. Great. Times 3/10. 1 and 1/10 times 3. So they must have been talking about that green. So now I don't even have to worry about this. So let's talk about this. So both of these are correct. Right here. Doesn't matter what order goes first. Look at my answer choices. So then I got to come over here and see what my answer choices are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. What? What am I counting? 33 hundredths. Therefore, that matches that answer choice. Okay. All right, now I have no pictorial representation, so you might want to get this on the teacher table and work with this. Okay. So an outdoor swimming race, again, this is important to understand this as well. An outdoor swimming race is 1 6/10 miles long. Simon swims 8/10 of this course. So Simon is 8/10 of the course. Sheila swims 9/10 of the course. So Sheila, I'm going to put an SH for Sheila. Sheila is 9/10 of the course. How much farther does Sheila swim? So Sheila is the one that obviously swam more. Okay, so how am I going to do this? Hopefully I can multitask. So this one is going to be, so of course my problem is this. Okay. All right, so I need 1 and 6/10. So it's this right here for my first one. Okay. So I'm going to, or you can do it this way if it'd be easier. So 1 and 6. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. So therefore, that is my 1 and 6/10 going down. So that must means I need my 8/10 going the other way, going the opposite way. So I need to take 8/10 of here. And then 8/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can continue on if I wanted to. Only concerned about this. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Tell me about 100 hundredths. 100 hundredths is 1 whole. So 100 hundredths is 1 whole. All right, so let's see what we have left. So, sorry, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, so right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Okay, so go back to my paper. So this is 1 and 28 hundredths. So what about Sheila? All right, well, the same problem here. Sheila is 9/10 of 1 and 6/10. 1 whole, 6/10, 1/10, 2/10, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to take 9/10. 9/10 this way and 9/10 of this amount. 10, 20, all the way, this is 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So there's my 1 whole, because I know 100 of these little guys, 100 hundredths is 1 whole. 100 hundredths is 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay. It's a whole lot of work, I know, but I want you guys to understand. So now how many more does Sheila has than that? So I would then subtract 16 hundredths. Okay. Now we're going to skip this. I want to go ahead and show you a couple problems in your Get Gold pages, and then you may move on. Let's look at this one right here. Now this is an option too if you want to use your pencil. So 6/10 of 9/10. Doesn't matter which one. So let's say that I'm going to do 6/10 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right? Do my other page or my other thing, 9/10 this way. So again, this is 6/10 going down, so that means my 9/10 has to go this way. It's probably not smart to use that color of blue, so maybe I'll use this. Really concerned about this area right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. 54 hundredths. Okay, right here. 5/10 of 1 7/10. So 1 and 7/10. I did this way. So that's my 1 7/10. The other one I'm going to do 5/10 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/10 here. 5/10 of this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. That's not it, so I cannot count that. 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Okay, so that's going to be it's going to be 85 hundredths because I'm only counting these squares and they're worth hundredths. Last one. 2/10 of 8/10. If you want to go all the way across, you can. You could have just done it right here. Either one, 8/10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 is what you should have. Oh, sorry. 16, what am I counting? 16 hundredths. You're going to do that for the rest of those using these pictorial models or decimal models on 11, 10, and 11. Word problems. Okay, this one right here. Sasha's hundredths decimal model shows the product. Right there, guys. Product. Factor times a factor equals a product. The product is 72 hundredths. If she shaded 9 columns, the columns go up and down, 9, what would she have to do to shade the rows? What number would she have to shade the rows? If she added 9 columns, which is the same thing, what's a column? What are these columns worth? What are these columns called? Tenths. So in other words, 9/10 this way, what did she have to do to make 72 hundredths? Think about that when you're looking at your picture. I do remember that from last year. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Please tear it out. Turn in 3.6 into the file folder.